good morning, Wanda DiPaolo here, coming to you from Bristol, Rhode Island. Thank you for welcoming me into your home. Hey guys, this morning I want to talk to you about this clear phone that's just coming out to the industry, and I think it's going to take it by storm because people want to take control back, right? They want their privacy and their data to be theirs. They don't want it to be sold, right? Today I just want to share a little bit of some notes that I took. Excuse me, and I hope that it helps you in the space that it helped me. You know, we're unique. We're one of a kind. You know, we're one in a million, in a billion. You know, in a world that's full of imitations and fakes and duplications. To the world, we're just a number. We're no longer names, right? And that shouldn't be. We're original. Right? You're yourself. You should never be forced, right, to do anything without your consent. You're not a commodity. You can't be bought or sold, right? And you don't know by who or by what, right? You shouldn't be controlled. Right? Your online identity should be your online identity. Your own. Right? Not a government. Not a company. Not a conglomerate. Or a corporation able to take away your identity. Your most essential you. Be you. Be your own. Be clear. I love that. You know why I love that? I think today that, we are slipping into socialism every single day. They're owning and telling us what we can and cannot do. Guys, we live in a free country right now. Okay? That's right. A free country right now. Things are a little iffy right now, we know, with the country. You know what? Depending on who gets in, depends on which way the world's going to go. But I have a lot of faith, and I know that my God's on the throne. And I know right now that this election is against evil. Evil and the principalities that we stand for. So, you know what? For myself, because I believe in God, and if somebody ever tells me that I can't believe, you're going to piss this shepherd off, because this shepherd watches the sheep. And I love sharing products of value to the marketplace that help everybody. I don't think that anybody should be discriminated. I really don't. I think that each and every one of you guys are out there that are important. I think your voice matters, even if we think differently. I still like you. You might not like me, but I still like you, because I respect everybody that thinks differently than I do. I really do, and I love bringing products and services to the marketplace that help the people. And I really think that this phone is going to help a lot of people. So guys, just my short rant. I'm just a girl with a vision to free as many people as I can. I want to help as many people as I can. And as always, I start with myself. Yes, own the phone. Yes, I own it. Anything I share to you in the marketplace, my health and wellness, I use everything. My online industry, my online education, I swear by that. I swear by everything that I share with you, I use. I know the value. It has benefited me, and I know that it will benefit you. So reach out to me, guys. If there's anything that I can help you with, I'm here to serve. So I love you. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for that little rant. I get excited. So have a blessed day, guys. And someday we will be sitting on the beaches of the world together.